Looking for a trusted partner for high-quality cable assemblies and wiring harnesses? With over 20 years of expertise, we are a leading manufacturer specializing in customized solutions for industries like consumer electronics, medical devices, automotive machine vision, and aerospace. We don't just deliver products, we deliver reliability, speed, and precision. Our mission: to help you succeed with top-tier quality backed by ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and ISO 13485 certifications, lightning-fast lead times to keep your projects on track. Cutting-edge technologies including precision fine pitch connections and injection molding.